Good morning, all of you. Say loudly. Open your mouth and say loudly. Very good morning. Okay, I'm going to teach you a new song about a new good habit song. Are you ready? Shall I go? Very good. Today I'm going to teach you bits of paper. Ready? Start. Okay. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make them place untidy, make them place untidy. Pick them out, pick them out. Are you enjoy this song? Are you enjoy? Say loudly yes or no. Okay, yes, very good. Today I'm going to teach another song. Do you like birds? Okay, today ma'am present two dicky bird song. All of you stand up. Stand up. Okay. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Are you ready? Are you ready with me? Okay. One more again, okay? Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Are you enjoy this song? Say loudly. Very good. Thank you.